I'm a full stack developer, cloud engineer, and I work in Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. I'm here in the United States because in Puerto Rico we got hit by Hurricane Maria. And after the event, the job market was just not there for me, so I had to relocate to Florida. And while I was in Florida, job searching in different areas, you get to see the job market. And I realized that AWS was like on 80% of the current positions. So I said, I need to kind of revamp my skills and kind of get updated to the latest cloud technologies. The way AWS Educate connects all topics is awesome because you can start in any pathway. And then once you pick 2 or 3 different pathways, you realize that these dots connect with each other. And then they help you understand the big scope. Once you go through a few of them, then you realize, oh, I know exactly how to use these services and how to plug them in together to deliver apps. And then when I had my first interview for cloud engineering, pretty much all the knowledge I said in that interview was based on what I learned on AWS Educate. Technology is changing so fast and tools that are being built are just adjusted to the time. So I'm not even sure where exactly it's going to take me, but I know that the path is broad and wide and I have so many choices at this moment because it's really taking my skills to the next level, kind of giving me superpowers.